Hey everyone! Looking for a powerful tool to manage your Telegram channel effortlessly? Say hello to your new best friend, Channel Guru Bot. Channel Guru Bot isn't just any bot, it's your ultimate channel management assistant. With Channel Guru Bot, you can auto-accept join requests seamlessly, customize greeting messages for new members to make them feel welcomed, add attractive buttons to your posts for better engagement, store user details for easy access and even broadcast messages to them. And that's not all. You can create your own custom bot to make your channel more interactive and engaging. Feature 1. Request Accept feature. This feature allows you to accept join requests, broadcast messages, and manage your channel all in one place. How to create Request Accept feature. Tap on Request Accept features. 1. If you already have a channel added, choose your channel from the list. 2. If not, add a channel by following these steps. Make Channel Guru Bot an admin in your channel. Go to your channel name, Administrators, add admin. Search for Channel Guru and tap the checkmark to save. Forward a post from your channel to Channel Guru Bot. Select your greeting message. Choose the default welcome message or create a custom one. To create your own, tap on Sean, enter custom greeting message, type your message, and click yes. And done. Your channel is now added successfully. You can also manage existing channels by going to My Channels. Broadcasting messages. Go to the Broadcast Message option. Choose to broadcast to all users or channel-wise. Done. Your message is sent to your audience. Feature 2. Add buttons to your posts. Tired of messy links and captions? With Channel Guru, you can create beautiful buttons that users can click to go directly to your video or channel. It looks clean and organized, making your posts more attractive. How to add buttons to posts. 1. Tap on Add buttons to your posts. 2. Choose Create Post with Buttons. 3. Forward the post from the channel where you want to add buttons. 4. Click on the plus icon plus to name your button, e.g. Watch Video or Join Now. 5. Paste the link you want to attach to the button. 6. Done. Your post now has a clickable button. You can add as many buttons as you want and check the result by tapping on Get Post. You can also save your button set for future use by tapping on Save this button set. Create your own bot. Yes, you heard it right. You can even create your own bot just like Channel Guru, and it's absolutely free. This custom bot can accept requests automatically, send personalized welcome messages to new members, create buttons for your posts. How to create your own bot. 1. Tap on Create Own Bot and select Create Request Accept Bot. 2. If you don't have a bot yet, create one using BotFather. Type New Bot in BotFather. Give your bot a name. Choose a username for your bot, must end in bot. Copy the API key provided by BotFather. Paste the API key into Channel Guru Bot. 3. And done. Your bot is ready and added. To check your created bots, go to My Bots. You can also clone Channel Guru Bot and use it to create buttons, accept requests, and send customized welcome messages. All for free. Why choose Channel Guru Bot? Works as an auto request accept bot. Customize greeting messages for new members. Add buttons to your channel's posts for better engagement. Stores subscriber details for easy access, even if they leave your channel. Broadcast messages to all your users or channel-wise. Make your channel stand out. Want to make your channel more interactive and engaging? Channel Guru Bot is here to help you do just that. Add to your channel now. Follow for more tips and tutorials.